Hindi mo kailangan ng napakamahal na Biscoff spread o Biscoff syrup para gumawa ng Biscoff ice cream. In this video, I'm showing you how to make Biscoff ice cream using just Biscoff cookies or biscuits. Ang lasa kasi ng paborito nating Biscoff ay galing sa combination ng caramel at spices, specifically cinnamon at nutmeg. So, kailangan lang natin gumawa ng caramel from melting white sugar at all-purpose cream and add the necessary spices to achieve the same flavor. Please note na super konti lang ang kailangan na spices, as in 1 small pinch ng cinnamon at 1 small pinch ng nutmeg. Tapos, when you whisk in the Biscoff biscuits, give it time na medyo maturog talaga yung broken pieces at humalo sa mixture. If you love Biscoff, mamahalin mo ang recipe na ito and you're very welcome. You have to try it now.